How to design menu in WordPress newspapers. Designing menus in the WordPress newspaper theme, especially the popular one by TagDev, is all about combining structure, style, and usability. So to get started, go ahead and open WordPress into your preferred browser and then sign in to your account. And then make sure that you have the theme installed into your device. So go ahead and install the newspaper theme into your device. So once you have it installed, go ahead and head over into the Appearance tab again, and then click on Editor. So click on Editor from here, and then on the Editor's page, go ahead and click on Navigation at the left side of your screen. And then click on the three dots at the right side of Navigation, and then click on Edit. Now once you're in here, you can go ahead and add or remove items from the menu. So you can add items in here that you've just created, such as pages that you've just created for your WordPress website, to make it easier for guests to check out all of the pages available on your site. And that is how you can basically design menus in WordPress newspapers. So once you're done with this, you can simply click on that save button at the top right of your screen to save the changes.